Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a clear step-by-step guide on how to delete your Hostinger account in 2025, you've come to the right place. Whether you're moving to a new hosting provider or just want to close your account, I'll walk you through the entire process so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. Navigate and log. First, open your browser and head over to Hostinger's homepage. Click on the login button at the top right corner, enter your credentials, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken straight into the Hostinger control panel, also known as the H panel. Access account settings. Inside the H panel, look for the section labeled Account Information. This is where all your personal details and account management settings are stored. Click into it to continue, confirm, and delete. Now scroll down until you find the option to delete account. Before you take this step, here's a very important warning. Account deletion is permanent. That means once it's gone, it's gone. Your websites, files, emails, and any connected services will be erased forever. So make sure to back up all your important data before clicking delete. Once you're ready, click the delete option. Hostinger may ask you to re-enter your password for security purposes. This is just to confirm your identity. After that, your account deletion request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email inbox because Hostinger will send you a confirmation message once everything is finalized. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Hostinger account. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and practical tech guides. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.